Yo, it's good, y'all. I want to tell y'all that everything comes with time. You know what I mean? You can you can manifest things like right away, but like in order to do that, basically, yeah, you gotta be careful too because you don't want to take you don't want to take too many steps before you don't want to miss steps. You don't want to go from step 1 to step 5 or step 5 to step 20 or step 1 to step 20. You know what I mean? Take steps to get to your goal. You know what I mean? But repeated or emotionally charged, then manifest in your hands. So, but everything comes with time. Everything's your energy equivalent. So, with that being said, it's like, you're going to get what you asked for, what you ordered anyway, you know what I mean? You're going to get what you deserve. You're going to get what what you deserve, you know what I mean? Whatever you're manifesting or whatever, So, just want to drop that quick knowledge gnosis, that knowledge in your lap. It's like yeah, everything's gonna be alright, you know what I mean? Don't worry about a thing. Ugh. Eat right too. Some of this food just ain't good. You go to this grocery store, a lot of this stuff's okay, but even some of the stuff at the grocery store. But you go out to eat, so watch what you eat, man. Just watch, cause I've been eating out lately. I ate out like 4 or 5 times this month, and I gotta say, each time was shit. Pardon my language, but it was not good. Literally, I'm disappointed in how bad the delivery food is in this place that I live in, or around this area, and very disappointed. Way terrible food. Terrible. I'll say it right now, Gitano's is shit. Fucking, what's that one place? Doesn't matter what place you go to, it's shit nowadays. Like, I don't know if it was even ever good, but, watch what the fuck you eat. Don't be stupid. If you're drinking or fucking smoking too much, you can't even tell them, probably. You're thinking you're just fucking fucked up. Yeah, I'm not fucked up, bro. I've been sober for 2 years, so I know what the fuck I'm talking about, bro. It's like, yeah. And they don't want that shit, too. You know what I mean? These motherfuckers, they're like, oh, look at him. He's doing so well. He's going to start, Yeah, so. But, so, it's like, yo, like, the fuck they be putting in this food, you know what I mean? It's just terrible. Got this nasty taste in my mouth. I'm like having the hiccups almost. I haven't had hiccups in like a year. Literally. Not even playing. Yeah, I'll have indigestion sometimes from eating some, crazy food, but nah, man. Like, but I just ate, because I ate a whole 12-inch cheesesteak, basically. I was hungry. I ate a whole 12-inch cheesesteak. I had to. I was starving. And I ate some cheese fries, and let me tell you, it wasn't good. I didn't eat a whole 12-inch, but I was damn near close to eating the whole damn thing. And gotta tell you, I was pretty pumped afterwards. I was like, damn, I feel a little Scooby-Dooby-Doo. You know what I mean? Well, I gotta tell you, it wasn't the greatest Scooby-Dooby-Doo that I could have felt. So whatever. I'm just saying it's not that good. Sometimes where you go, where you gotta watch what you eat. You know what I mean? So besides all that, you know, I got off topic because this was really about your energy, and basically everything comes with, you know, whether it's, I don't know, I'd say time, but like, time is outside of you feel me? Time is a man-made construct, you know what I mean? Or man-made, whatever, well, basically, what do you call it? Yeah, so it's just like, what was I saying? Basically, what the whole video is about is that, basically, your energy manifesting. You see, they don't want you to succeed, but, you know, you're going to do that regardless if you want to, if you feel that way, if you want it that way, no matter what they say, you feel me? You got to be higher than that. You got to say, fuck that, you know what I mean? Be higher. Fuck that shit. They want to bring you down, you just rise the fuck up. Nothing's gonna hold us down, you feel me? It's the age of Aquarius. Love. Love is the strongest thing ever. Love, 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 love. Repeat and say and do and think and feel positive thoughts. Positive things, positive thoughts, positive. Be positive, because we're not human doings, we're human beings. Be positive. Be positive. Yeah, they say a whole bunch of stuff about good, evil, and live, but yet, have you really, you know, see, you might have put yourself in those bad situations. See, some people, you know, get put in those bad situations and they didn't ask for it. But you know what they do? They get out of it because they're positive. You feel me? They're positive. They're good. Okay? Yeah, I understand live and shit. I understand balance. I understand it so much that my fucking month is balanced. And I'm a 3 and a 0 and a 5 at least that I know. And for that, fucking all the evil could fuck off. How about that? All the evil could fuck off. All the human trafficking pedophiles, all them motherfuckers could fuck off, burn in hell, you know, all that shit. Because, listen, bro, like you should know what you do. You feel me? Have self-control. You feel me? Have the knowledge to know the difference between doing right and wrong. Okay? Because there is a difference. There is a difference. There's a big fucking difference. There's order, chaos, good, evil, bad, good. Yeah, there's a big difference. And we all come from source, so everything is all good. Really, that's really nothing. That's almost nothing. It's good, but it's nothing because it doesn't want to be good. You know what I mean? So it's kind of just floating there. You know what I mean? But yeah, there's a difference, and yeah, that thing's really doing that. So yeah. So with all the shit that I talk about and all that crazy shit that goes on, yeah, like, fuck that bullshit. Know the difference. Know the difference. Because I don't give a fuck what Master Teacher 33 says or Kyle says. Yeah, there's a difference between wrong and right, and you better know the fucking difference. Because you meet a motherfucker like me or motherfuckers that know what the difference is, and they'll fuck you up just for fucking, thinking that, you're doing the right thing when it's not the right thing. When you're just trying to fucking, do your thing. Okay? Better fucking think about it. And do the right thing. Think before you say or fucking do anything. Do the right thing. Stop fucking up. Be how God wants you to be. Don't be fucking foolish. Don't be a fucking idiot that fucking does terrible things to people and fucking has no fucking remorse over it until they fucking get fucked for it. Okay? Don't be like that. Be like somebody that does good for people and gets good back. Okay? Be like that. Don't be like people that fucking talk about it all day. Be like the people that do it all day and do the good. Okay? I don't want to hear talking. I want to see doing and hear doing and good doing and all the being and all the good doing and all the good thinking and saying and feeling and all that good shit. I want to feel it. I want to say it. I want to do it. I want to be it. Good. That's all I want to do and say and be and think and feel is good. Okay? It's all good. That's all I want to do. That's all I want to be. That's all I want to think. That's all I want to feel is good. I don't know about you, but you can feel whatever the fuck you want to feel. I don't care what you want to feel. Honestly, is what I want to feel is that. You can feel how you want to feel. I'm just explaining to you what I want to feel, and I'm explaining to you what I think that you guys might want to feel if you want to feel it that way. You feel me? This is my channel, so you're getting the best from me. So it's like, how do you want to feel? Do you want to feel like shit? Do you want to feel You want to feel in the middle? Yeah, I shouldn't have done that, but I did it, and I feel, I don't know. Well, maybe I shouldn't have. You want to second guess yourself all fucking day? Huh? Or you want to fucking live with the satisfaction that you know you did the right fucking thing and fucking feel good about it. Say, yeah, I did the right thing because I knew I was doing the right thing because that's what the fuck it was. I didn't fucking say, no, I'm not, I don't know. No, you fucking did what you should have done. You did what you had to do. You got the fuck out of there. That's the end of the story. Tired of fucking pussyfooting, man. You want motivation, man? You want motivation? About to show you motivation, dog. Show you it. You about to feel that shit. Alright? I'm gonna show you how it feels. Alright? I'll show you. Stick around. Wait until my next couple videos come out. They're coming out real soon. Dropping real soon, alright? So watch out. It's Jibo on top. Jibo on top. Alright? Jibo, he be doing his thing. Motivational Gregory, yeah, man. Hell yeah, dog. Yo, I'll see y'all soon, alright? I'll see y'all real soon. Because this is what I love to do. This is what I live to do. Okay, this is it's my job, but I love my job. See, I don't even work. I don't even have a job. This is just what I love to do, and I get paid for doing it. You feel me? You could too. Why don't you check out Business Gregory, because that's my other brand. Okay? And while you're at it, you can get some entertainment by checking out a couple other friggin' brands that I got. Comedian, rapper, poet, fucking video game broadcaster and fucking video maker. Come on, man. I'm all that shit. I'm all that shit in a bag of chips. My photographer fucking model? I don't know. You be the judge. But look, it's all good, man. Love is the strongest thing ever. Because love, hope, joy, faith, meekness. Again, have self-control, gentleness, meekness, self-control, joy, faith. Against such things, nothing, and love. And against those things, nothing can fuck with you. Nothing can fuck with you if you have those things. Love, hope, joy, faith, meekness, gentleness, peace, self-control. Have purpose, okay? Where purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. And trust me, I know my purpose. Alright? Yeah. I ain't fucking stupid, you know what I mean? My people perish for a lack of knowledge. Gnosis. My people perish for a lack of knowledge. Do your research, folks. Look out. Watch out. Make way. Because love and Yahuwah, it's the age of Aquarius. Yahuwah's in charge for the next 2,000 years. By the looks of it, the evil ones ain't gonna stick around too long for fucking all this shit to go, anymore. You know what I mean? Evil ones just, like most of the people that know what the fuck they're talking about, evil ones are just dropping like flies, you know what I mean? They keep dropping out the sky. It's like, bop, 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 bop. They keep dropping. You know what I mean? It's crazy. It's crazy. So, don't worry about a thing. Everything's going to be alright. So, I'll talk to y'all soon, alright? Y'all have a good day. God bless you. Yeah. Motivational Gregory out. Love ya. God bless you. Stay positive. Peace.